Hey folks! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of Azure Resource Manager, or ARM for short. If you're an IT professional, you know how essential it is to manage and deploy resources efficiently. First up, let's talk about resource groups. Think of them as containers that hold related resources for an Azure solution. Everything you deploy in Azure, like VMs, databases, and web apps, go into these resource groups. They help you manage and organize resources based on their lifecycle and usage. Pretty neat, right? Now, moving on to deploying resources with ARM. ARM offers a consistent management layer that allows you to automate your resource deployment and management. You can deploy, update, and delete all the resources for your solution in a single, coordinated operation. This way, you maintain control and ensure consistency across your deployments. But wait, there's more. ARM templates play a crucial role here. These templates are JSON files that define the infrastructure and configuration for your project. With ARM templates, you can automate and standardize deployments, making it easier to replicate environments and ensure compliance. Plus, it's great for version control. One of the best parts about ARM templates is their reusability. Once you create a template, you can use it for multiple deployments, saving you time and effort. And because they're JSON-based, they're easy to read and modify. So, to wrap it up, Azure Resource Manager streamlines your resource management with resource groups and ARM templates. Whether you're deploying a single VM or a complex multi-tier application, ARM has got you covered. It's all about efficiency, consistency, and control. That's it for today's quick dive into Azure Resource Manager. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. Sen